just east of Sanford in Seminole County. Lake Jesup Conservation Area spans nearly 6,000 acres, featuring expansive wetlands and serene wooded hammocks that come together to safeguard water resources, support wildlife, and protect the delicate ecosystems surrounding Lake Jesup, all while inspiring those who visit. Its 3 tracts, North Cameron, Marl Bed Flats, and East Lake Jesup, invite you to hit the trails for hiking, biking, or horseback riding, or slow down and simply soak in the sounds of nature. Every fall, flocks of migrating shorebirds and white pelicans put on a show across the wetlands, and the floodplain glows yellow with blooming swamp sunflowers. Lake Jesup Conservation Area is more than a place to explore. It's a sanctuary for wildlife and a celebration of Florida's natural beauty.